Modern physical construction moves at breakneck speed. We can pour thousands of tons of concrete and erect steel frameworks in a matter of days. Yet the data management behind all that movement is often trapped in a slow, manual era. On the ground, planning engineers fight a daily battle against locked PDF letters, isolated Excel sheets, disjointed slide decks, and the tedious line-by-line manual updating of Primavera P6 schedules. The friction slows everything down and burns out teams. To escape this crushing friction, we designed and built a completely bespoke, locally hosted synthetic intelligence system from the ground up. We call this architecture the Hermes agent. It operates as a unified framework of 11 distinct automated projects, functioning entirely as a tireless AI-driven planning engineer. When the volume of project data scales up, single-task tools break down. Keeping a massive project on track requires a digital ecosystem that can connect the dots automatically. At the core of this ecosystem is its brain. We start with the primary basics: local AI models, structured Ollama commands, and strict prompt practices that give the Hermes agent its core intelligence. On top of that intelligence sits a highly reusable infrastructure. This framework handles strict project handoff protocols, Power BI SharePoint models, and automated vector workflows. With that logic in place, the agent tackles massive data entry tasks, like bill of quantities or BOQ mapping. It reads raw Excel files to autonomously generate cost loading and work breakdown structures. This diagram illustrates how the AI maps that abstract spreadsheet data directly into actionable project timelines. This automated timeline logic is smart enough to account for complex regional constraints. It automatically adjusts for 6-day work weeks and strictly blocks out the 2026 Saudi official holidays. The system also acts as an active mathematical engine. It recalculates planned versus actual progress formulas while preserving the exact original structure and formatting of the source Excel workbook. By establishing autonomous rules and local intelligence at the absolute foundation, we prevent minor human data entry errors from cascading through the project lifecycle. Once the foundation is set, the architecture relies on its nervous system to reach out and ingest external data. It begins by processing historical correspondence using optical character recognition. This animation shows the system processing entire folders of PDF delay time letters. It autonomously extracts the subjects, send dates, and relationships to build a complete correspondence log. The agent is also proactive. Every Saturday morning at 9 a.m., a scheduled workflow hunts for new Saudi Arabia construction projects across various web sources and X, packaging the intelligence into a report for automated delivery. For active field tracking, we replace manual field notes entirely with a specialized, local-first web application. Instead of typing out observations, engineers use voice transcription and image capture. The app then uses schema-based logic to instantly fill out fields and generate daily, weekly, and monthly PMI standard reports. Relying on passive, multi-channel data ingestion eliminates the dangerous lag time that usually exists between field reality and office awareness. The final phase of this anatomy is the vision and voice, where all that ingested data translates directly into executive-level visual intelligence. We established a direct database connection that allows live queries to flow directly from Primavera P6 SQLite databases straight into Power BI via ODBC links. This diagram shows how that direct link automatically drives real-time progress and activity dashboards, operating entirely without human intervention. For board meetings, automation takes over. Financial values jump directly from Excel into PowerPoint charts. These charts autonomously grow to reflect weekly and cumulative cash series, adjusting colors to reporting standards, and even repairing the file if locked. We also integrated a back-end OAuth API to bypass manual graphic design, allowing our workflows to instantly generate visual assets directly in Canva. This produces highly polished outputs, localized English and Arabic promotional videos, fully custom branding, and standardized workshop presentations with unified watermarks and colors. Automating the creation of these boardroom-ready outputs gives engineering teams their most critical asset back, the time required for actual strategic decision-making. We started by looking at a landscape defined by chaotic, manual data entry. Now we have a unified 11-node ecosystem operating continuously in the background. The operation scales seamlessly. Data flows effortlessly from a raw BOQ document all the way through to a beautifully branded presentation. By weaving these specific technical projects together, the system engineers a comprehensive digital workforce. Managing the scale of modern infrastructure requires these local, AI-driven, fully interconnected ecosystems to ensure the data moves as fast as the construction.